Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about vegetative propagation, which is a type of asexual reproduction in plants. Vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction which allows plants to produce new individuals using parts of the parent plant such as stems, roots, leaves, or bulbs. This means only one parent is needed, and the offspring produced are genetically identical or are clones of the parent plants. Vegetative propagation does not involve gametes or fertilization. There is no fusion of the gametes, so there is no genetic variation. Instead, new plants grow by mitosis, which is why the offspring are genetically identical, or we call it clones. By carrying out vegetative propagation, plants can reproduce quickly and efficiently, especially in stable environments where the parent plant has already well adapted. It is a method which is common in agriculture when farmers only want to grow the plants with desired characteristics. There are several types of natural vegetative propagation. One example is runners, which are horizontal stems that grow along the surface of the ground. Strawberries plants reproduce this way. The runner grows away from the parent plant and develops roots and leaves, forming a new plant. Another example is tubers, such as potatoes. Tubers are underground storage organs that contain food such as starch. Each tuber contains buds or eyes. New shoots grow from these buds of the tuber and develop into a new plant. Bulbs are another type of vegetative propagation. Bulbs, like onions, contain a short underground stem surrounded by fleshy leaves that store food. When conditions are suitable, the bulb grows into a new plant using the stored nutrients. Rhizomes, such as ginger, are horizontal underground stems that can grow into a new plant at different points along their length. Plants can also reproduce through artificial vegetative propagation, which is used in farming and horticulture. One method is cuttings, where a piece of stem or leaf is cut from the parent plant and planted. It then grows roots and develops into a new plant. Another method is tissue culture, where small groups of plant cells are grown in sterile conditions with nutrients and hormones provided. This allows large number of identical plants to be produced quickly. Vegetative propagation has both advantages and disadvantages. An advantage is that it produces plants quickly and ensures desirable characteristics are kept. However, a disadvantage is that there is no genetic variation, so plants may be more vulnerable to disease or environmental change. In conclusion, vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction where new plants grow from parts of the parent plant. It produces clones, occurs naturally and artificially, and plays an important role in agriculture and plant survival. That's the end of today's video. Thanks for watching.